Okay, Charlie, what you doing?
Okay, doing this.
What are you doing?
I'm cooking.
Oh, what are you making?
I'm making.
What do you have there?
I'm just making something. I'm making some beans.
Oh, you're making
garlic
something.
beans.
Hmm?
I'm making some garlic. And there's, I'm making some broccoli and there's soup stick.
Broccoli and garlic and soupchuk?
Yeah.
That sounds really good. Which kind of beans do you have there?
I have these ones who follow me.
Cannellini?
I like cannellini.
Yeah, I like cannellini too. And what about the other kinds?
No,
The purple ones. What are those ones?
Well, days.
Scarlet Runner.
I'll put
Wow.
some in here.
Very nicely done. Bless you, Benj. And Benji, what are you doing over here? Are you supervising? Yeah? Hi, buddy. Hmm. Zoom, zoom, zoom. Hi. Hi. Hi, little supervisor. Very nice. I think we should go to the park. What do you people think? Yeah? Park? That sounds good. Here's your friend. Excellent.